Hey, what's up guys? In this video I am going to show you how you can edit your videos on Android and iPhone using Wondershare Filmora Go. Filmora Go is a video editor that lets you add effects, filters, your favorite music and more to your videos. It also lets you turn your photographs into video clips with music and text. To start video editing, click on New Project, select the video and press the Import button. You can move the line to adjust the position to meet editing. To trim any unnecessary part of the video, click Trim, then click Split. The video is cut into two videos. To delete any part, select the video part and click Delete. You can also adjust the volume of the video by pressing Volume button. Click Motion to adjust the animation. For the beginning of the video, there are many options. You can also adjust the opacity of the video. You can apply this effect to all of the video clips. Click Fade. You can adjust the fade in and fade out value of the video. Then click Speed. You can adjust the video playback speed. You can also play reverse video. Let's split any part of the video. Then click reverse. You can also freeze any scene of the video. To add the background music on your video, click on Music. You can click on each music to listen and download. After confirming the desired music, click plus icon to add to the timeline. You can also adjust the volume of the music. There are also sound effects. You can also listen to the sound effects. Click plus icon to apply the sound effect. You can also record your voice in the video. To add a text on your videos, click on Text and enter your text content. You can adjust the text size, font, color of the text and position. You can also apply stickers on your video. Click on Stickers. Here are different stickers. You can add any sticker on your video. Stickers can be enlarge, reduce, rotate and adjust duration. Next we have filters. You can apply the filters on your videos. You can adjust the slider to set the intensity of the filter. Next we have picture in picture. You can add photo or video into your video. Simply adjust its size and position. When the editing process is complete, you can export your video into your phone gallery. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, comment down below if you have any question, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.